Hi, I'm Esther from Life Science Centre. Everyday things can look beautiful if you look at them in a slightly different way. Like the shadow of this water glass. It changes depending on the light or the position of the glass, and I can use it to make pictures. Now I've made my lighthouse picture, I can change it by wiggling the glass or changing what the light looks like. You can draw so many different pictures and then play with them by changing the light in the room or even using different water glasses. Show us your creations by tagging us on social media @Science at Life.